That is almost like a whale.
That sound is coming out of that little 25-pound dog?
That is astounding.
He definitely delivered.
I am blown away by Kai's story. A chow rescued by Adopt a Chow LA, and here today with their dog mom, Lori.
Tell me a little bit about his snoring.
It just goes on.
It's like music.
It is.
It's like music. Well, I am very excited and curious to see his snoring video.
Whoa!
What is that? Is that a drag race? What? Did you ever see that Clash of the Titans where they released the Kraken?
Yeah, this is the Kraken.
This is the Kraken.